Hello buddy, welcome to my channel. I'm Mina. In this part I want to show you how to soak off the polygel using 100% acetone, and I think it's not very professional, but as this video is for polygel removing at home, it's the best way. Right now I'm using a nail drill, but if you don't have nail drill or e-file, you can use hand file and remove around 80-85% of material, polygel, and we remove only 15 or 20% of polygel with acetone. Okay, let me be honest, it's not professional. As I said, a professional nail tech can remove 100% of polygel with nail drill, but if you're not professional, if you are not a nail educator, it's the best way for you. But at the end of the video I will say a note, a tip that is very important. In this part I didn't use cotton pad and I put the acetone in soak off bowl, but it's better you use cotton pad and don't put all of the finger on the acetone bowl. Okay buddy, we remove around 80% of polygel with carbide EBIT, and it's turn to use acetone to remove the 20% polygel that remain on the nail. I put my fingers in the acetone bowl for around 7 or 8 minutes, and after this time I will check it. I will understand that it's ready to be removed or not yet. This step is very important. Please be very gentle, be very careful. Don't remove harshly. Do the removing gently and very carefully, because if you don't care about removing in this part, you will damage the nail plate. As you can see, the natural part of the nail that's growing getting a little dry. It's not good and it has not a good appearance, but when we will do the nail prep, it will be fixed. As I said in the first of the video, it's better if you are proficient, remove all of the polygel with EBITs. By the way, with EBIT, we cannot have totally 100% removing, and 5 or 10% of the polygel material or any other type of materials will be remain on the nail plate. And in this part, we have a golden tip. We should use hand file for 5% remaining polygel or base gel on the nail plate if we don't use acetone. If we use acetone, we can remove all of the remaining polygel from the nail. Okay buddy, thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe my channel and watch English tutorial playlist, and love you all. Bye, see you soon.